Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic. You guys can already tell by the title of the video that we will be discussing a Quant. I've been getting a lot of requests to cover Quant. I apologize, I was away for 3 days, as you guys know, so I was unable to kind of have a lot of updates coming on. But I'm back, and for all the Quant followers and the community members, this is dedicated to you guys. Looking at the price of Quant, it is currently trading at $139.15. It is down about 0.7% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but we're seeing an uptick in BTC comparative about 0.2% in the last 24 hours. But if we're looking at the market cap is currently hovering very strongly at that $2 billion mark. We have seen Quant, hold that $2 billion market cap very, very strongly. So that is definitely a positive thing to take away from this. And the 24-hour trading volume is also currently sitting at $33 million. So right away, we can tell that the overall buying pressure is just not there for Quant right now, which is not a secret at this point because it has been trading more on the sideways pattern. But we're going to discuss where we could see the price going in the immediate short term and where we could see a breakout happening. So if you like these kind of videos, smash that like button, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. But before we get into that, guys, I do have an announcement to make. If you enjoy my videos and if you guys want early access, if you guys want to engage with me directly, where we can discuss other altcoins, look at other projects that you guys want to request, talking about other market structure, what can happen to the markets, a lot of things, as a community that we can speak, I have created a Patreon. Link in the description box below. It is $10 a month US, but if you come join, I'm sure you guys are going to have a blast. It is going to help out the channel a lot. So if you want to join the exclusive Crypto ZX army where we all can engage with one another and just have a great time, talk crypto and hidden gems, talk about other projects that you guys want to be looking at, link in the description box below. Come join and let's get the party started. But now if we're looking at the charts, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. Looking at the price, like I said, it is currently trading at $139.47. We have seen obviously Quant last October when it was outperforming the entire market, saw it go all the way up into the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level above this major level of resistance, which is at that $211. And since then we have not really seen Quant retest that zone. But remember, it is holding very, very strong. If I do bring out the measuring tool for you guys, if you picked up some Quant at the lows, June lows, the bottom, in my personal opinion, you're still up 246%. And I do personally believe that when the next move were to come for Quant, we are targeting the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level, which is at the $232 mark. And if I do bring out the measuring tool for you guys, that is a move of about roughly 67%. You've heard that correct. And to be quite frank with you guys, Quant at a $2 billion market valuation is still quite high. It is high, but it's easier to have these projects move when the money flows in, especially from the top 10 projects, when people tend to take profits and allocate their funds into the other projects. And obviously when the overall market is increasing, majority of the altcoins, especially the good ones, are going to obviously get impacted as well. And Quant is definitely one of them. You guys already know my stance on it. Has a working product, real use case, and all these real use case projects have, if you've noticed, have been the ones that are gaining a lot of traction lately. So definitely without a doubt, Quant is showing its strength to us. And a very familiar pattern that I'm seeing with this and Matic. Look what Matic has done. Matic is retesting the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. You guys can see back on November we did see Matic also retesting the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, and obviously after the FTX collapse we went back into the 78.6 and really accumulated here. So we need to remember that accumulation is very, very healthy. Nothing is going to go up straight forever like this in one line. Absolutely not. You guys can see how long we traded in this 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. Massive level of support that it built for us, and then boom, finally saw a breakout recently, and I do believe that's going to happen with QNT very, very soon. We're seeing the same thing happen. If I do bring out the daily time frame, you guys can see we've built quite a bit of support around here, and I am expecting a breakout happening towards the upside. We are facing a little bit of a resistance at the $155 mark, so that is something that we do need to keep in mind. But I do believe that it's not going to be a hard thing for QNT to break up. But as I say that, we need to keep the price of Bitcoin closely in conversation, because Bitcoin is facing a massive level of resistance. If we clear this, I do see BTC hitting 30k. I would not be surprised, but we could also see a cool off, because the year of 2023, man, has been absolutely insane. It's been pure madness. Gains are being made left and right, and a little bit of a cool off is very much needed. If this were to break out and go to $28,000 to $30,000 per BTC, which I could honestly see that happening right now, as I've said to you guys from the beginning of the year, after we broke past the 23k mark, I could see this rally run into April, quarter one, and see a cool off, and cool off is very much needed. So obviously, if you don't want to hear that, I'm going to say straight up, cool off is very much needed before we do see this continuation pattern forming towards the upside. BTC dominance, on the other hand, is once again falling towards the downside, meaning altcoins could once again start flying. So QNT holders, be on the lookout for that. But right now, QNT is holding really, really well, and I do want to give you guys that update. But obviously, the real fun begins when we break out of this level of resistance at the $155 mark, and that would require more volume to come in. But that is it for the update today for QNT. Let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price going for Quant at the end of this year. Yes, at the end of this year, where could you see the price of QNT? I personally believe we will see a new all-time high before the end of the year for QNT, because we're not too far away from that. Because if I do bring out the measuring tool for you guys, QNT is currently, exactly as we speak, it's about 68% away from all-time highs. And as you guys may know, when the markets really start moves up very, very fast. So very, very exciting times definitely ahead for Quant holders. But let me know down below what you guys think, and always have an exit strategy in place. And a lot of people want me to discuss exit strategy, guys. There's so much to cover, there's so much things to know, and if you guys want more in-depth detail, like I said, Patreon is now live. Come join, and also helps my channel out. So if you want to support, and if you are a supporter, you like what you're seeing, come join. The link in the description box below. Thank you so much for all the support you guys show me, each and every one of you guys. If you're new, if you're an OG, I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much. And yeah, stay safe out there, lock in profits, and just have a great time. Thank you so much. I will see you guys tomorrow, and it's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.